Hey everyone, this is Matt, and in today's video, I have for you some unboxings. That's right, I'm unboxing some high rarity Labrynth related cards. I mentioned a few videos ago that I'm going to be upgrading the rarity on my Labrynth deck, right? So before we begin, you see this, I have this beautiful new Labrynth playmat. I got it off eBay before anyone asked me, but yeah, I just love the colors on here. This is probably the least simp, least booby mat that I could find. See if you can like Google Labrynth playmats because yeah, this is the most tame one you're gonna find. Yeah, I really love the color schemes in here. I really love how the two servants are on either side here, right? The black and white is just so pretty, and then of course you have the castle, and then you have the chessboard down in the center here. So yeah, this is just great. Great playmat. I love it. So yeah, just go on eBay if you want that. Anyway, so like I mentioned in my previous video, I want to rarity upgrade my Labrynth deck. There are a few cards that are not yet max rarity, and yeah, this video we're gonna get into unboxing some of those cards. I did order them, and a few of them did arrive in the mail. I haven't yet found everything I wanted, but still, I just thought I'd share with y'all since maybe you would appreciate this as much as I do. So anyway, all right, so let's get started with this first package here. So yeah, this definitely feels like there's a card in it. Of course, it's wrapped in like a million layers of plastic. It is what it is. So we're gonna be using this box cutter. Remember, kids, for those of you at home using box cutters, always cut away from you. Never cut towards you. Never cut towards your hands. You want to be cutting away from you. So just keep that in mind as a safety precaution. So let's uh, tear this open here. Okay. All right, I gotta manage to make a hole here, but oh, looks like it. I just removed some tape, but there's still other layers of plastic. So this essentially looks like a big envelope that was just wrapped, um, on itself many times. So yeah, I think I just have to get rid of some more tape and unwrap this envelope. I think is the best way to go about doing this. All right, let's yeah. I'm always like amazed every time I get cards in the mail, like just how insane some sellers are at wrapping Yu-Gi-Oh cards. But it is a high rarity card, so I get it. They don't want it to be damaged or whatever in the shipping. So let's okay. I think I was able to get most of the tape up. Just one more cut here. All right. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I did manage to unwrap it. Okay. Here we go. So I'm gonna remove that label, and then the rest of the tape here that's keeping it wrapped. And now I can finally unwrap this. Maybe couple more cuts here. All right, here we go. Okay, cool. So here's the full envelope. Very poofy. Now we can actually like reach in and see if what we can take out of it. So let's see what we have here. We have another poofy package wrapped in lots of plastic. So luckily it's just bubble wrap, so we can tear into that very easily. All right, so here's the actual, hopefully what appears to be an actual card, assuming I did not get scammed, and it's just like a Celtic Guardian or a Beaver Warrior. All right, so let's see what we have here. Oh, here we go, baby. That's right. We have the Winged Dragon of Ra Sphere mode in the Ghost Rare. So for those of you who've seen my videos before, my last Labrynth deck videos, but also my Eldritch profile, will know that I already own one of these bad boys. So I have one Ghost Rare Sphere mode. I was missing two of them, so I was using ultra rares. But now this is the second Ghost Rare Sphere mode that I'm picking up. Yeah, it's such a beautiful card. Like, how would you feel if you were you're going first against me and I'm going second against you, and then I drop this card on your field, right? Then that'd be it's such a satisfying thing to do. So, all right, so let's transfer this here to the inner sleeve. Okay, um, get that in there. There we go. Slides right in. All right, so here it is. Just checking the card here for some defects or some uh, any issues. Looks pretty clean. Looks definitely near mint to me. Yeah. So uh, behold the Winged Dragon of Ra Sphere mode in all its glory. Such a beautiful card. This is one of my favorite cards. It's so great for going second. I just want to like tribute every board that I see with this card. So satisfying. Now, two of my three Ghost Balls will be Ghost Rare. So now there's a 2/3 chance that if I tribute this on your field, then you'll see the Ghost Rare one. But I am still in the market for a third one, so yeah, hopefully I'll find a good deal on that, and then I'll get that in the mail soon. So all right, so let's go on to the next packages, the next cards I want to unbox for you. All right, the next package we're gonna unbox is right here. So this packaging a lot more reasonable. It's only a single envelope folded on itself once with what appears to be one strip of tape here. So let's go ahead and cut into this bad boy here. See if we can get this open. All right. All right, much simpler. I can already unfold this. Oh wait, no. This tape here is still holding it together. It seems. That's annoying. So I still gotta. Oh, this one I guess I can rip this by hand. All right, finally. Let's see what we have here. We have, ooh baby, collector's rare. Labrynth, the field spell. So this is actually the one card that I forgot came out in a higher rarity. I thought it only had its was it I guess ultra rare printing, but no, it does have a collector's rare printing. Um, ooh, it's very shiny. Yeah, this is one of those one ofs, right? Like I only want one of these in high rarity because you're never gonna run more than one of these in your deck. Now, like with all the Labrynth support, like this card is okay. Sometimes you side this card out, like against like tier limits. I literally just side this card out because like why would I ever put this on the field when against tier limits when I can just put Necro Valley on the field? You know what I'm saying? Like so, but it's very nice to have. But still very nice to just have this as a good like main deck option, right? Especially since Metaverse is at 3, right? Metaverse is a normal trap, it's searchable. All around it can search this. There's a lot of synergy between this card with Lovely especially. Um, so yeah, let's get a proper inner sleeve here. The right size. Let me see if I shine my light on it, what it looks like with the light. Ooh, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, it's got like that bluish, like prismatic looking sheen on the edges, right? And then of course the basically secret rare lettering, right? So let's slip this bad boy right into here. Yeah, this is going straight into my Labrynth main deck. Yeah, Sphere Mode is going straight into my side deck. This is going straight into my main deck. You'll love to see it. Yeah, so I don't see any factory defects or anything like that. Edges seem fine. Um, yeah, I mean it's pretty near mint to me. I mean maybe a slight curvature, but I think most cards that are stored in binders develop a slight curvature, but that's okay because I mean this is gonna go. This is if this is not in my sleeve in my deck box, it's gonna go in my binder inevitably. So yeah, but yeah, very pretty, very beautiful card, very nice. All right, so let's get into the final unboxing or unpackaging, unwrapping, whatever for this video. Before I do, I just want to first preface by saying, check out this field center I got. It's a field center of Lady Labrynth of the Silver Castle. It's a shiny field center. I got it obviously because I'm now a total simp slash shill for Labrynth, so all my stuff should reflect that. Speaking of, look at that. It's a holographic um, field center. It's very pretty. Goes right here. And yeah, if you're wondering where I got this, it's the same place I got this mat. eBay. Just Google Labrynth Field Center or Google Labrynth Playmat. You'll find it. There's many options, many sizes, many whatever. Right? Just go find it. It's not hard. It's on eBay. Um, all right. So for the final package, here we have it here. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's rip into this here. Actually, how easy is it to break this seal? Not that easy. Maybe I'll just do. Maybe I'll just do this. Remember, always cut away from you, just like they taught me in middle school. Okay, let me see if I have enough of a. I made up. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right. So let's pull this out. All right, another card sealed in strange forms of packaging. This time, 2 pieces of cardboard. Let's see if that was enough to open it. Almost. All right. And here we have it. Lady Labrynth of the Silver Castle. Starlight Rare, baby. Let's go. Oh, this is so beautiful. This is absolutely gorgeous. All right, so let me pull this out of the sleeve here. Oh my word. Look at this baby. Look at this beauty. All right, so Starlight Rare, Lady Labrynth of the Silver Castle. Based on the coloring, I can't tell if it's a European print or not. I guess the only way I'd be able to tell that is if, like, I don't know, I had an American print next to it. I mean, it does look a little dark, but I remember going to one of the card shops when I was visiting my friend in New York, and they had a European print and an American print of this card. They had both of them available in the store, but it was a little overpriced, so I didn't buy it. So I remember putting them side by side and noticing the difference. And I remember thinking, okay, the European print, the art was a lot bluer. It was like I don't know, way darker shade of blue, I want to say. So this doesn't look that blue. This one looks more like grayish, like lilac kind of. So I think it's the American print. But either way, this card is like absolutely gorgeous. Oh man, I'm so happy. So I told y'all I wanted to upgrade my rarities, right? This is my first Lady Labrynth Starlight. I want to get 2 of them, and the reason I want to get 2 is because I'm actually thinking, no joke, that the correct ratio going forward, once Big Welcome Labrynth comes out, will be to run 2 ladies rather than 3. So right now I'm running 3, but I think 2 might actually end up being the correct ratio. And I'll get into reasons for that in my, in my inevitable deck profile. But I've been playtesting, and by playtesting I mean like deck building online with the Big Welcome card, and I do feel that 2 is the right ratio, similar to Ariana. Because now that we have like access to 3 copies of Welcome Labrynth and 3 copies of Big Welcome Labrynth, or that is when Photon Hypernova comes out, I just feel like you won't really need to like have 3 of these. Like if one of them goes to the graveyard, Big Welcome brings it back. Like that's the thing. Big Welcome was so much needed because it summons the Labyrinth monsters from the graveyard, not just from. All right, so let me see if I can like transfer this to my inner sleeve. This is going directly into my deck, like straight up. But let me slide this in here. And there it is. Man, this looks very good condition. I don't see any curvature on the edges. No worn, no factory defects. And I got this for a sweet deal too. Like I was not expecting to get it for as cheap as I did. But I mean that's that's what happens. So usually if I'm looking for like high price cards, either go to the game, find someone at locals that might be selling it, or I look for it on eBay, or I look for it on Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is probably the most success I've had in terms of getting discounts for high rarity cards, especially Starlights.
because you can usually get it for under TCG's player price, like a decent percentage, and you don't have to pay. You usually don't have to pay tax or shipping, so that saves a lot of money. Like I think, if I'm not mistaken, the market price for this card last I checked was around 270, 280, but it's creeping up. I think it's going to be 300 very soon, and I got this for like close to 200. So no tax or shipping, like everything included. So yeah, this is the yeah. I felt like I got like a great deal. Yeah. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so happy that this ended up being a real card and not a scam. Because sometimes maybe you get scammed. Maybe I open this package and there's no card inside, or there's a freaking Beaver Warrior, right? Like, I'm glad this seller and it turned out to be legit, right? But yeah, if making large purchases online, especially on Facebook Marketplace or even Reddit, Reddit has a Yu-Gi-Oh Marketplace subreddit. Use PayPal goods and services, because if you do and something comes wrong, record you opening the package and then just complain to PayPal. Be like, hey, this seller did not provide the product they promised, and then you can get your money back. So yeah, um, obviously for like cheaper cards, like 10, 20 bucks card, you probably don't need to do that. You can just do like friends and family. But yeah, this is so nice, so freaking nice. I'm so happy. All right, so obviously, my deck is still far from being fully upgraded. I need one more sphere mode. I need two Arianas. So let's do one sphere mode, two Arianas, lovely, and then the second lady. And then once I upgrade those 5 rarities, I think I'll be happy and like good to go. So yeah, oh, beautiful, beautiful. Look at this. Look at this card. She's so pretty, and it matches my field center. See? So now, like, I can summon her, and usually when you go to locals, they have like those big bright white lights, and then people will notice immediately. Oh, look at that, sexy, hollow field center with the sexy starlight lady. Yeah, you love to see it. Cause yeah, I want to say that that this Labrynth is gonna be top of the food chain in terms of trap decks for a long time. Similar to how Eldritch was top of the food chain ever since it released. It just immediately took over and became the best trap deck. I think Labrynth is going to be the best, probably for a few years. So a lot of my trap cards that I had from my Eldritch deck that spilled over in our Labrynth, I already have them rarity upgraded. So I have Collector's Solemn Strikes, Collector's Torrentials, Collector's Trap Tricks. I have ulti Skill Drains, ulti Solemn Judgments. I have like the whole shebang in terms of like the trap cards. Because again, those just transfer from trap deck to trap deck. Like I'm always gonna those cards are always gonna be useful. Eldritch never had a Starlight Print. It did have a Secret Rare, but I stuck with the Gold Rare because Gold Rare just looked way nicer. The cool thing about Starlight is like you notice that the Starlight rarity makes it so that the borders of like these cards are more silvery, right? Which goes really great with the silver theme of Labrynth, right? So she's a silver lady of the silver castle or whatever, right? And yeah, those edges are like nice little silvery. So yeah, so happy, so freaking stoked. Can't wait to bring her to locals. I did mention I think in one of my other videos I don't plan to go to locals for some time. I'm actually gonna think about I'm gonna go to locals once Photon Hypernova comes out and I get 3 copies of Big Welcome Labrynth and 3 copies of Way Balancing or Way Bridge because yeah, those 2 cards are gonna be so cracked. So all right, hope you enjoyed this unboxing as much as I did. I appreciate and I love geeking out on stuff like this. So yeah, see you next. Yeah, obviously, like I said, more rarity upgrades to come, which means more unboxing videos to come. Even though the unboxing videos have historically not been very popular on my channel, I still enjoy doing these because I'm sure there's some of you who enjoy watching these. So thank you for watching. See you next video. Peace.